is Haley with Haley's Designer Wigs in Mesa and Scottsdale, Arizona, as well as on the web. Today I'm debuting the second of the two brand new Raquel Welch wigs. These are wigs that have not fully been released yet. These are kind of test items that are going to be sent to certain marketplaces to be tested. So I'm one of those people that was chosen. Thank you, Raquel. And let's go ahead and show you guys this wig. I'm wearing it now. It's called Influence Elite. This wig is made in rooted shades only at this time, so there are about 12 color options available. This is a petite average wig. This wig does not have a lace front. It's actually got a different type of cap. It is hand tied, and it being a petite average, I'll be honest, it really doesn't fully fit me. I could get away with it, but I do have an average size head, so you do need to be a true petite and or be a person who doesn't have any hair. So if you're a medical needs client, I would recommend this wig for you. It does feel soft against my head. It feels snug and secure. Low density. These two new wigs have really low density. I do like the sweet little bang, nice length. We're gonna show you this one in 3 different colors. Let's show you the sides and the back, okay? Influence Elite. Elite means hand-tied in Raquel Welch land. So we've got a hand-tied scalp up here. We have got this fabulous polyurethane with a folded and welded down lace front. So it does have a lace-like feature. However, it has been tucked into the polyurethane. So it is completely soft, comfortable, not going to scratch your skin if you have sensitive skin. And very durable, not going to ever tear or fray. We have got a fully hand-tied cap, super soft and stretchy, a little bit of give, but still a petite size. And just a thin, lightweight, simple, classic cut. This color is that Iced Macchiato 1723 SS, just a little bit more ashy than the Shaded Biscuit, with a slightly darker low light. This is gonna look cute on a number of women. It's a classic cut that is wearable. You can dress it up, dress it down. I really do think that this one's gonna be a big hit. Next, we're going to try the Influence Elite in 2 more colors. We've got the Shadow Shade Cappuccino, that's your SS 1222. And then we also have one of the ash tones here. It's a light brunette, and that is the Iced Mocha RL 812 Shadow Shade. So let's go ahead and give those 2 wigs a whirl. Shadow Shade Cappuccino is an extremely popular color, definitely been a bestseller in other Raquel Welch wigs. This one's a blend of brunette and blonde. Who doesn't like to be a brunette with a little bit of highlights, or a blonde with a little bit of lowlights? So this color is really nice to match a variety of skin tones. Loving this petite kind of chin grazing classic page bob with a cute little bang already cut in. I like that covers the front of the wig. This feels stable, it feels secure, it feels durable, and I think that the quality is definitely there on this piece. Raquel sent me a few different colors, and I did notice full consistency across the board. All the pieces were well made and had the same density, and also the correct colorations that we would expect. So I think that quality is important. Consistency, of course, is the key to results. So I like that the product line is very consistent. Let's show you the sides and the back of the Cappuccino. This is the Iced Mocha. If you're looking for a very subtle highlight, this one's like a kind of a barely there highlight that's more for added dimension rather than that salon streaked look. It's a very soft and subtle dimensional color. If you're looking for something very natural, I think due to the head hugging features of this wig, it looks super natural. And if you're a petite woman just looking for just enough hair, this wig is going to be a great piece for you. So ladies, if you've liked the Muse, if you've liked the classic cut, if you've liked, for example, the Folly by Gabor, there's a number of good bobs out there. Even the Bewitched by Raquel Welch was a really cute one. Then this is your next up-and-coming piece to add to your collection. I like the Influence Elite, and I think that you will too. If you have any interest in ordering these, I am able to sell the pieces that I have in stock. These are going to be a big hit, and it's always fun to preview something before everybody else. So reach out to my 2 shops. We will list the phone numbers down below as well as our website. And I hope you've enjoyed these reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful hair day.